Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating backup files on disk so you can restore work immediately. Open the folder where your SKP sits. Look for SKB or files starting with tilde. Once found, make sure hidden items are visible in your file browser. If you used autosave, check Sketchup Preferences under General for the configured folder path. This step matters because backups often mirror recent changes. Finding the right file prevents data loss and speeds recovery. Once you have the backup file, duplicate it immediately so you keep the original intact. Rename the copy's extension to SKP when necessary. This tells SketchUp to treat it as a model. Then open SketchUp and use File Open or use File Import if Direct Open fails. Make sure to try an older SketchUp version if compatibility issues occur. Older backups sometimes open only in prior releases. This approach preserves your data and isolates errors to the duplicate. To finish, save the recovered model with a clear new name and timestamp so you avoid overwriting working files. If SketchUp reports corruption, open a blank file and use File Import to pull geometry piece by piece. This often bypasses corrupted metadata. Make sure to enable regular autosave and point backups to cloud storage moving forward so you have multiple copies. Troubleshooting tip: if a backup won't open, try a different SketchUp version or import fragments. That usually recovers most geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.